Think about the last person who broke your heart. Now think about the one before that. Notice anything? They were different people, but somehow the same. That's not bad luck. That's a program. And it was installed before you could even speak. In the 1950s, a British psychiatrist noticed something strange in orphanages. Children who had food, warmth, and safety, but no one holding them, were falling apart. His name was John Bowlby, and his idea changed psychology forever. He argued that a baby's bond with its caregiver isn't a luxury, it's survival, as vital as food. And that first bond becomes a template, a blueprint your brain will use for every relationship after. Then, in 1969, a researcher named Mary Ainsworth proved it. She built an experiment called the strange situation. A mother and her baby enter a room. Then the mother leaves. A stranger walks in. Then the mother comes back. And in those few minutes, babies revealed 3 completely different programs. Some cried when she left, and ran to her when she returned. Secure. Some ignored her completely, as if they'd already learned. Don't expect anyone. And some clung to her, and hit her at the same time. Furious that she left, terrified she'd leave again. Here's the uncomfortable part. Those babies grew up, and the programs grew up with them. Decades of research followed thousands of people from crib to marriage. The pattern held. Roughly half of us are secure. The rest carry an anxious or avoidant program into every relationship they start. So what does that look like in your life? If you're anxious, love feels like this: constant scanning. Why haven't they texted back? What did that pause mean? Your alarm system fires at threats that aren't there. If you're avoidant, love feels like a trap closing. The closer someone gets, the more you need air. You call it independence. Your nervous system calls it defense. And now the cruel twist. These 2 types find each other. Constantly. The anxious one chases. The avoidant one runs. The chase confirms the avoidance fear. Love means losing yourself. The running confirms the anxious one's fear. Everyone leaves. Each of them is proof of the other's program. A perfect, painful loop. But why would your brain choose this? Why chase pain? Because your brain isn't looking for what feels good. It's looking for what feels familiar. If love, as you first learned it, came mixed with distance, then distance is what your brain files under love. That's why the calm, kind person feels boring, and the unavailable one feels like fireworks. It's not chemistry, it's recognition. Your brain whispers, "I know this feeling. This is home." Even when home was the thing that hurt you. So no, you don't have a type. You have a wound with a preference. But here's what the science actually says, and it changes everything. Attachment styles are not a life sentence. They're a starting point. Researchers call it earned security. People rewrite the program in safe relationships, in therapy, by seeing the pattern. And seeing it is step 1, which means you just took it. You were never bad at love. You were running a program written by a child. And now, you can see the code.